Hi there. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create presentation like this using Canva. It's very easy and I'm going to walk you through every step by step. It's so easy and we're going to use Canva to do this, and you don't need to go through any stress. It's going to save you tons of time. It's going to save you a lot of time in creating presentation. Let's jump right into this. We're actually going to do this with Canva. So if you've not used Canva before, I'm going to leave the link at the description, and I'll be doing subsequent videos on Canva, how you can create and edit videos completely with Canva, create amazing animation. Canva is a tool that can make you a highly skilled person. So I'll be doing more videos on that. In order not to miss my videos, just subscribe and turn on post notification. Let's jump right into this. Now I'll assume you have your document already prepared. I've generated just a simple document here using ChatGPT just for the purpose of this video. So you want to create like 10-page slides. So I allow ChatGPT to generate some slide for me about 10 pages, which is going to be on almond, the benefits of almond. So we're going to do that with Canva. In order to do this, when you open Canva and you create an account, down here we have options to create whiteboard animation, videos, YouTube thumbnails, but the most important thing we want to use here is documents. You can see here we have document. So this is what we're going to create and convert this into PowerPoint. Now go and copy your entire document, which is this. I'm going to copy this. You may have this in Microsoft Word or wherever you have this. Just go and copy everything, as simple as that. Copy everything and then come back to Canva and then click on doc. Now this is where we're going to paste everything. Just right click here and then go to paste. So as you can see, I have everything pasted over. We'll do some modifications, so don't worry about any wrong spelling of text. So at the moment, this is what I have, and we want to actually convert this into a PowerPoint presentation. So let's see how easy this is going to be like. Now if you look at the top over here, we have magic switch. This is what we're going to use. So click on magic switch, and you can see right here we have convert to what? Presentation. This is actually under development, so you're going to see more styles going forward. So let's just click on convert to presentation, and at the moment you can see a preview of how our presentation is going to look like. This is very interesting. So let's go ahead and click on get started. It's going to take some time and I need to convert that for us. Now our slide actually has been converted. You can see I have my slide pages displayed over here for me. So now we actually can pick styles for here. You can see we have some style over here. We can pick some style from here. So you can see here we have choose a design, and it's still under beta, so it's been worked on. So just pick any of the styles over here. Let me stick to the default one here, and then we'll go ahead and create my presentation. And straightforward, you can see I have my presentation. You can see I have my presentation. So this is basically my slide. So this is my 5th slide, and in that order. Now this presentation is actually talking about almond, benefits of almond. You can see the font is actually quite very small, but you can actually change that. So over here, if you go to design, come to styles, we also have layout in that. But when you come to style, you can actually change the entire style over here. You can see the recent one that I use. We also have some combination and then some color palette over here, so you can actually pick any of this. So if I want to change the entire style of this, I can just go to this. Let me see all, and this amazing style over here that I can use. So if I select this particular style, you can see, make sure you select the first slide, and then you can click on apply to all pages. Now I really want to pick some different ones. So here, so if I click on this, okay, if I want to use this, let me just pick one of these just for the purpose of this video. So let's stick to this one for this video. Now let's click on apply, and it's going to apply this to all our 10 pages. As you can see, we have this affecting all our 10 pages now, and that is amazing. Now we can start by working on this one page after the other. Now most of the time when you select, you can see the entire document or text has been grouped. So when you select this, make sure you ungroup this. And then what you need to do is that I don't really need this title. So this is what actually I got from ChatGPT. I can change the font as well. I can change the font to any font right here. So you can see we have a lot of fonts here, and then when you select any font, you can actually increase the size as well. You can easily increase the size, and then I can actually move this side by side. Okay, now because I use ChatGPT, it's giving me some guidelines, images that I need to place over here. So I'm going to actually just copy some parts. So I have the heading here, and I'm going to copy the heading and just clear this part off. And then to add additional images to your text, you can actually go to element and do that. Now let me just go to text here and then add a heading. So I'm going to actually paste my heading back, the benefit of Amon. Okay, so when you create this, you have the luxury to actually modify whatever content you have on your screen. So I can actually do that. If you want to change the text colors, you can actually do that as well. So you can see you have different colors here you can use. You can reposition your text to have them in one line. You can actually do that. So if I want to pick images of Amon and animate them, I can easily go to element and then start searching for Amon over here, and it's going to give me a lot of images. You can switch to graphics and then pick some images and then add. So you can see this is the image. I'll just enlarge this like this to fit my screen, and in case you want to animate this, you can just go to animate, and then there are several animation options over here. You can see there are a lot of animation options you can pick from to apply to your slide. So let me just stick to this, and then your text also, remember, you can actually animate them. You can animate basically everything on your slide. You can also even add transition to that. So between every slide, you can just go in there and then add a transition. Okay, you can add a transition between that. And see, there are several ways you can add this transition, and it's very easy to do. I'll be doing a lot of videos on this. So when you add a transition, you can even change the direction of the transition. So when you're moving forward, then the transition direction can change. So you can go from slide to slide, and this is about the introduction. So I can actually select this and then ungroup this, and then for the intro, I'll just delete the slide part and then just work on my text here. You can select the entire text here and then just change the font. So basically you have everything set up for you. The rest is to go from page to page and then start actually adding some few images to that. So here I'll clear this, so I can add some few more this to this. So I'll just add this right here. In case I want to animate this, I can just select and then animate this as well. So you can add any animation option here, and then we can just continue doing that. I just add this, just delete the slide here, and here also I can just ungroup this so I can work on this separately. You can select your text and then increase the font size. Whatever text that is not needed, you can actually select that and then delete it. Okay, so you can actually delete that. So this is actually talking about the house health. So this also, you can actually go ahead, let me delete this part and then ungroup this and just place this at the top, select this and then increase this like this. Okay, so that is basically what is going to happen. So this is actually about the health and Amon. So I can easily go here and then search for a heart image. This some I've used previously, so I'll just reposition this here. I'll go to animation here and also add some animation to this. So you can see this is interesting. You can do this for your 10 pages. Just go to your pages and then just do some few modifications to that, and you are done with your PowerPoint presentation. Now the good news is that you can actually preview this right here and also download this as a PPT file. That's a PowerPoint presentation. If you're using Microsoft Office application, you understand what I'm talking about. So you can go to present, and then let's stick to the present full screen and then go to present. So you can see this is how animation is going to look like. Amazing. So we can just move through this, use this arrows. So this is our animation, our PowerPoint presentation, and that is it. You can go through the others which I've actually not made changes to, and in that order. So we've been able to create a PowerPoint presentation using Canva with just some few steps. So if you want to download this as PPT, you can just go to share and then go to download, and then the download side, you can see we have the file type. Just click there and you can see we have the PPT, which is Microsoft PowerPoint document. So you can download this as a PowerPoint document, and you're actually going to get this. If you want it in PDF standard or PDF print, you're going to get that. We have some other file formats. So this is basically how you can create presentations in PowerPoint with ease. The steps is basically going to be very easy. I'll be teaching more on Canva, so you don't need to miss that. Just subscribe, turn on post notification, and let me know what you like about this video. Share with friends. Till I come your way again. Bye bye.